what's going on YouTube? Welcome to the Jim of All Trades channel. I'm glad you made it by this Friday afternoon. Hope you're doing well on this Labor Day weekend. My name is Jim. I'm a crypto trader. I'm a Forex trader as well. I'm here to help you understand the market from an Elliott Wave perspective. Guys, Elliott Wave theory is a theory that this guy found the market moves in 5s and 3s. Basically, put those structures together in known larger structures. And you find out where price might be heading. We've had a fantastic week in our Discord. I mean, just a fantastic week in the Discord trading, and hoping to have another great week this week coming up. Lots of volatility, lots of price movement, lots of trade opportunities. You want to learn to trade in an environment like this, even in a bear market, guys? Come on into the Discord. You just become a Patreon supporter. Guys, it's a $40 investment for 1 month. If you want my trades, if you want my personal trades, that's tier number 2. And if you want some one-on-one mentorship, that's tier number 3. We'd love to have you. But guys, I've never taken money from anybody that wasn't happy with the product. So if you're not happy with it, I'll refund it. So it's no questions asked, guys. No questions asked. Just, hey, sorry it didn't work out. But anyway, we'd love to have you in. And got great educational materials, great community of traders. We're live a couple hours every day. That's why I hate doing YouTube videos, guys, because I'm live so much in the Discord. I just I get tired and I don't want to make a YouTube video. So that's why I don't make as many as I used to, guys. But that being said, guys, let's jump into the charts. Wanted to give you an invite. It is the first of the month. It's a great time to join the Discord if you're not part of it. Love to have you. But that said, let's see if we can navigate these waters here from an Elliott Wave perspective. See if we can get an idea of where price might be going. Guys, all I'm going to do is look at the wave structures with you at this point and see if we can see those wave structures together with an idea on where price might be heading. So I'm going to give you a couple of ideas, but let me just warn you and just let you know that I don't know where price is going. Nobody knows. There's not a YouTube channel and not a guy in the market that knows. Everybody has a perspective on the market and everybody has ideas, and generally price will go where you think it's going to go. It's just not going to go in a way that you expect it to go. So we're going to look, but that's what Elliott Wave gives you. It gives you at least some things to look for as price moves in your direction, and gives you good entries and exits, good risk management, trade setups. That's what you're going to get with Elliott Wave theory. There are a lot of people that think Elliott Wave is just a hocus pocus. It is not. And I'm going to put some videos together this weekend for next week. Just the fact that Elliott Wave is not is not just some hocus pocus stuff. It's actually there's legitimacy to it. You just have to learn the limitations of Elliott and what we do with it and what you shouldn't do with it. So that said, for those of you that are brand new to the channel, I teach Elliott Wave. I look at the market from an Elliott Wave perspective, and it's a perspective you probably have never seen, or it's very new to you. But best channel on YouTube for Elliott Wave if you want to learn it. So I'd love to have you. All right, with that said, let's get into the market, guys. We're going to look at I'm going to show you two main ideas we have for what price is doing down here, okay? Two main ideas, and I'm going to give them quickly. I'm not going to do a lot of Elliott explanation, just going to show it to you. On Sunday night, we'll do a little bit more explanation, a little bit more. We'll do a live stream at 9 o'clock Sunday night. But let's at least give you the ideas that I'm looking at for over the weekend. Well, first off, we're two ideas. One is predicated on the notion that this was an ABC that finished right here, right at this juncture. Okay. Now from this, I have two different ideas from this point of view. Okay. And let me show you what I would say. If that ended at this peak right here, and that's an ABC. Okay. You got a 535 basically. Okay. Some of you are wondering, you say, hey, Jim, that doesn't look like a 5. This is what I call a candy cane with a spike. That is a 5-wave shape in the market. It does not break into the territory of level of wave 1. It is a deep 4, but nonetheless, I'm looking at that as 5 waves. Okay. So some of you that know Elliott and you know, you might have a hard time with that wave, but that's what that is. Okay. Okay, so then with this particular view, we're looking at this as a flat. We got 3 down, 3 up, and I'm looking for 5 down. One view says 5 is finished. Okay, we finished right here, and there's a count for that right here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is done. 5 is complete. And this structure that we're seeing is the beginning of something complex like so. Maybe you get an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave, or yeah, it could be a flat. Shoot, this could come down and break the low and go up. There's any number of three-wave structures that we could see, and this is just the beginning of a three-wave structure to the upside. It's complex and confusing, but nevertheless, that's count number one. Okay, that might be supported by the notion here, the idea that the 4-hour RSI is broken here, guys. 4-hour RSI is broken, but it is retesting, coming back into the area. It could have been a fake out and now down. Time will tell. Okay, all right. So that's idea number one. That means we're going to look at the current price action then, with the notion that we have maybe this is a 5-wave move right there, and this is some kind of a 3-wave move. It's a 5-3-5 or something. That this was a flat in the middle. That this is coming down to retest this zone, and then we're going to go up. Okay, and it's going to be a flat. So that's an idea. That means we're looking at this middle wave, something like this. I've got a bunch of different counts for this, but let's just make it simple, something like that. Okay, with a running flat in the middle right here. 3 up, WXY down, 5 up. Boom. It's a running, it's a running flat right there in the middle as the B wave of the B wave. It's complex. But what you're seeing here, it could be a flat that could get pumpy and really extended. So that's a possibility. We'll talk about that possibility, but we could get pumpy and extended back to the upside, or this could be a little small flat that just becomes the A wave of a larger 3-wave move that we actually have a WXY working, so many things that can happen in here. That's why the Discord is wonderful, because we track this wave as it's being played, and so we adjust our opinions as to what might be happening as the wave gets developed, right? But we are always ready for what could possibly come. So something like that. So this stuff right here, in light of the larger count, 5 waves finished in C right here. We're looking for a 3-wave that may be the beginning of a much larger 3-wave, because we're looking at a WXY. In other words, this is part of a larger structure like so. W, that was X, and now we're looking for Y. That means all that I just drew right in there is just wave number 1, or the wave A of some larger ABC. And there we go. 3 up, 3 down, 3 up, WXY. We get up into this liquidity zone here, and so there you go. There's a possibility. That's an idea for you that may or may not play out. But what that does is it interprets this wave structure in light of a finished wave right here. Okay, up is the trajectory, even though we have some dumping happen today, which we nailed this morning during the live. Went short during the live this morning, and it was beautiful. Okay, so that was a gorgeous trade. Even took profit and got back in on this retest for the 5th wave to the downside. And by the way, guys, there's 5 waves being developed here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like 5 is being developed, best I can tell. There you go. Unless this is a really extended 3-wave move, which I doubt it. I think this is going to come down and retest the low, or even break the low. Small time frame ideas there. Okay, so what else could be happening in the market? So that's one major idea, guys. One major idea that all of this right here is part of a move to the upside, that we're actually in the middle of a complex correction right here. Okay, the flat in the middle, B, C, something like that. Okay, and this could be part of a larger A, B, C, which could be part of a larger 3-wave. Okay, I just showed you that. All right, what else could be going on? Well, we might not be finished. Let's zoom out just a little bit to the 90. Say this 5-wave might not be done. Let's move the 3-wave down to here. Okay, let's make this a 4th wave, and the current wave then is part of a much more complex and much larger structure. That this has a potential of just sideways action for the next several days. Okay, it could be a triangle, or it could be whatever, right? It could be something much larger. All right. And then we get a hit down, and that finishes our 5-wave move in C here. And that gets us down here to retest this low, 90% of the move to the upside. And that means we could have a big flat working. A, B, C, like that. Okay. Again, it all depends on what happens in here. Okay. Whether this is finished and we're going up, or this goes sideways and comes down. This is really a critical moment what this wave is, and it's not certain what it is. But I like this idea a lot, that we go sideways for the next couple of days and then we come down. That means today's wave is probably going to make 5 waves down. Then we're going to start going sideways in the market. Not sure why I have that here. Sorry about that. All right, what else could be happening? So there's another count for you. And this is going to get even more complex and sideways over the next several days, even into next week. And then we get a final dump. It's going to hit the low, get everybody bearish, and then shoot up really fast into the Fed announcement on the 21st. Okay, we're looking somewhere around the 21st. So this might shoot up really fast, pumping into the merge, Ethereum merge, pumping into the FOMC meeting. Okay, and then we could get even a continued pump after that, and then we get a major dump of the market that goes and takes the lows for the rest of the year. Okay, so that's a flat, and that's what that would be doing in the higher time frames. All right, what else could be going on here? So we've got two counts here, We got an ABC right there. Oops, sorry, right there. And then I'm looking at this as a potential ABC that's either finished or has another low to go. All right, what else could be happening? A third idea is that of the same thing is that this could be just hitting the low, breaking that liquidity zone just down here a little bit, and then going up for a 3-wave move or a larger 3-wave for WXY. So there's a possibility as well. We get a pump like that as well. So there are lots of variations here, guys, and it's hard to know which. Let me show you the final idea that I want to share with you, and that's in light of the fact that this could be an ABC that finished right up here. If this ABC, and there is a count for that as well. You might have a diagonal count, or have an ending diag 5. There's any number of things that could be counted. It's pretty complex and ugly count, but nevertheless, let's just say, hey, we've got an ABC that's finished here. What could be happening? Well, we could have an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that could be finished. And now we're getting a 3-wave move to the upside. Okay, so that 5-wave still could be finished, but that's the first wave of a much larger wave to the downside, where we get down to 12K, even 6K, maybe even 3K at its very lowest. Okay, death to crypto count right there. That's a total possibility here, that we could be getting a 3-wave move back to the upside. This is the beginning of the A wave. Okay, 3-wave move back up, and we're going to get a really deep wave to the bottom. So we've got a lot of overlap here. Okay, got a lot of overlap. The question is, are we going to go sideways right in here? Is this going to start trending up next week? And are we going to start moving up for an A wave and then a B and then a C? How is that going to play out, right? Or not? So I don't know. And then the final idea here is that we could come down here and finish this 5-wave. So the 5-wave might not be finished. We might have to hit the low one time and then go up for 3 waves after that. So there's a lot of little ideas. Know this, that in our Discord, we are tracking this wave as closely as possible so that we're not on the wrong side of the count. Even though there's lots of ideas, guys, it doesn't mean you can't trade in this environment. Guys, I'll just show you the last 2 trades we took, in the Discord, which were phenomenal. Actually, I got 3 now. I literally nailed this bottom for that long. I took my profit in this range here, and I took the short this morning from the top of that wave right there. Took my profit there, re-entered short here, and now I'm in profit again for this wave, looking for this to come on down and finish a 5-wave move, more than likely. So anyway, this was just the long, and then a short, and then another short. So there's lots of trades we took, and we had a really, really great day. trading these. Okay, we even had some great trades within this chop, guys. We can trade this chop. Had some break evens, had a couple little losers in here, and several winners in here, but because that was a really choppy section of the market, hard to follow. Nevertheless, we had some good trades. So listen, guys, if you need some help, you want to learn how to trade in this choppy environment, Elliott Wave is the way to go. I'm telling you what. And if you'd like to learn it, there's no better channel. I'm not bragging. I'm just saying, guys, I'm a teacher. That's what I do. That's what I am. And I'd love to teach you Elliott Wave if you don't know it. Maybe you know Elliott Wave and you just want to be in a great community where we're sharing ideas constantly and you get my thoughts every day in two live streams. Love to have you in our Discord as well. Well, guys, that's it. That's all I've got for you. Those are my main ideas. Wanted to present them to you, and just let you know that if you need any help, we're around. Okay. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. If you like the content, like the ideas I'm sharing, let me know in the comments. Let's blow this video up. Share some love, and I hope to see you Sunday night during Sunday Night Live. If I can, if there's a need to, I'll bring another video tomorrow. With that said, have a fantastic weekend. Talk to you later, guys. Bye bye.